Hi, I'm Miss Jen, and this is English time. Don't forget to repeat after me and practice on your own. Our topic today is daily routine. Daily routine. Do you have a daily routine? Something that you do day after day? Well, let's learn more about it. Get up. Get up. 起床. Repeat after me. Get up. Get up. Now faster. Get up. Get up. Go to school. Go to school. 上学. Repeat after me. Go to school. Go to school. Go to school. Go home. Go home. 回家. Repeat after me. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go to bed. Go to bed. 上床睡觉. Repeat after me. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. 吃早餐. Repeat after me. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have lunch. Have lunch. 吃午餐. Repeat after me. Have lunch. Have lunch. Have lunch. Have dinner. Have dinner. 吃晚餐. Repeat after me. Have dinner. Have dinner. Have dinner. Study online. Study online. 线上学习. Repeat after me. Study online. Study online. Study online. Watch TV. Watch TV. 看电视. Repeat after me. Watch TV. Watch TV. One more time. Watch TV. Good. Now for practice 1, you will see a picture and 3 choices. Try to say the right one first before I tell you the answer. Are you ready? Here we go. What's this? Point to the answer and say it. Have lunch. Have lunch. 有没有看到时间呢？ 12 o'clock. Have lunch. How about this one? Do you know the answer? Point to the answer and say it. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. And it's 7 o'clock. So it's 早餐. 吃早餐. Have breakfast. Now, how about this one? Take a look at the time. Have dinner. Have dinner. That's right. It's 6:30 in the evening, so have dinner. 吃晚餐. One more. Point to the answer and say it. Go to bed. Go to bed. Now how about this one? Go home. Go home. And this one would be watch TV. Watch TV. How about this one? Point to the answer and say it. Get up. Get up. Great! Now you are ready for practice 2. See if you can tell the time. Look at the clock. What time is it? Point to the answer and say it. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. How about this one? Look at the clock. It's 2:30. 2:30. And this one? What time is it? It's 5:15. 5:15. How about this one? What time is it? It's 4:45. 4:45. What's your spelling for 4? F-O-U-R. And 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 这两个字容易拼错哟。Now that you know the words, let's take a look at the sentence pattern. I get up at 6:30. Repeat after me. I get up at 6:30. Good. Or you can say, I get up at 6:30 in the morning. One more time. I get up at 6:30 in the morning. I have breakfast at 6:45. Repeat after me. I have breakfast at 6:45. I have breakfast at 6:45. I have breakfast at 6:45 in the morning. Let's do it one more time because it's a very long sentence. I have breakfast at 6:45 in the morning. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Repeat after me. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Or you can say, I go to school at 7 o'clock in the morning.也提醒大家，整点钟的时候 o'clock 可以被省略掉，所以这一句其实也可以说 I go to school at 7 in the morning， 或者只说 I go to school at 7. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Repeat after me. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I go home at 4 o'clock. Repeat after me. I go home at 4 o'clock. Or you can say, I go home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Be careful, it's in the afternoon. One more time. Repeat after me. I go home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I study online at 5:15. Repeat after me. I study online at 5:15. Or you can add in the afternoon in the end. So it would be, I study online at 5:15 in the afternoon. One more time. I study online at 5:15 in the afternoon. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. Or you can say, I have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening. One more time. I have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening. I watch TV at 8 o'clock. Or you can say, I watch TV at 8 o'clock at night. One more time, repeat after me. I watch TV at 8 o'clock at night. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Or you can say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Now let's add the question. What time do you get up? I get up at 6:30. Repeat after me. What time do you get up? I get up at 6:30. What time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch? I have lunch at 12:30. I have lunch at 12:30. Now we're going to add some changes to the sentence. But don't worry, it's not too hard. Do you go home at 4 o'clock? Do you go home at 4 o'clock? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now one more time. Do you go home at 4 o'clock? Yes, I do. Do you have dinner at 6? No, I don't. I have dinner at 6:30. One more time. Do you have dinner at 6? No, I don't. I have dinner at 6:30. Does he go to school at 7? One more time. Does he go to school at 7? No, he doesn't. He goes to school at 7:30. No, he doesn't. He goes to school at 7:30. Now, are you ready for practice 3? Let's do some question and answer. Now look at this chart and answer the question. What time does Tina go to school? She goes to school at 7:15. Repeat after me. What time does Tina go to school? She goes to school at 7:15. Now how about this one? Does Mike go to school at 7:15? What's your answer? No, he doesn't. He goes to school at 7. Or you can say, no, he doesn't. He goes to school at 7 o'clock. 不要忘了，整点钟的时候 o'clock 可以被省略掉。Now, are you ready for more? Does Tina go home at 4 o'clock? Yes, she does. Does Mike go home at 4 o'clock? No, he doesn't. He goes home at 5:30. Now here we have the daily routine of Elsa, Hank, and Amy. Can you say something about their daily routine? For example, what time does Elsa get up? Elsa gets up at 6:15. What else can you say about their daily routine? Here is an example of Elsa's daily routine. Elsa gets up at 6:15 in the morning. She watches TV at 7 o'clock in the evening. She goes to bed at 10:30 at night. Now, what else can you say about Hank or Amy? Good job. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.